Hello.
Oh.
We're gonna do an egg. My sister's right there. She's eating. Sister reveal at 2K. I don't like. Okay, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna. Okay, I'll just show the clip. And then it's playing. No, stop laughing. Stop laughing. Okay. Starting the recording of part 2. So this is what we have. Yes. Just yes, chat. You guessed it. We're gonna make.
Hold on, I don't want to be loud when I
What's it called? Rilakkuma.
Rilakkuma.
It's like a rice bear thing. So here are ingredients. And we don't have the sushi nori. So instead, we got leaves from our backyard.
Don't show my feet. Don't show my feet.
Okay, we'll start the building process now. Start with the bear, and then we'll cook. Oh gosh, we'll cook the egg. Oh no, I have too much meat. Do you want some? I'm just gonna film myself. What am I even supposed to do?
I'm not with you about that.
Q&A. Stop.
Me?
No, send a tweet. While I'm making this ball. Wait, I need reference. Janelle.
You have to open. Well, you don't have to put it in. Bleep it out. Ew. Ew. Damn.
Up. Uppity. Oh gosh. Not looking good. I look like a freaking baby playing with food.
Maybe you have to make it sticky somehow.
Huh?
Sticky?
Oh, we have rice wine.
What does that do?
I think it makes it so that the sushi sticks.
Oh yeah, that's probably how they do it.
Okay. Oh gosh. Ah. Close up. Stick. Mix. It's not sticking. I'm gonna walk down. She's gonna be like, what are you doing?
Your hands.
Just make it stick. I thought this would be way easier, but
It's a little thick.
is this too big?
Oh, I don't know. You'll just have to make the body extra big.
Can you open? It's going. Oh gosh, he has so many little parts to him. This is what we have so far. Looking good. Looking good. And then good. The ears are kind of wonky and then I have to separate the body, but Pog champ. Pog champ, Pog champ. Boy. No, we just have to cook the egg. Then we're done. Okay. Oh gosh. So today, now we're gonna make the egg part of the dish. There's like a white part, so I have to separate the egg whites with the thingy-majiggy. To scoop a bit of egg whites and then I have to cook it and then put that on the nose. Period. I'm saying I'll burn my kitchen. I won't because my pan is actually electric. Or like, it doesn't produce fire. You don't need gasoline. Dude. Okay, now we just, it's heating up, chat, it's heating up, good job. Oh, it's actually, it's not even that good, but like it was hard, it took me so long. Do you see the sunlight? Like, the sunlight is gone. It took me like freaking how many hours to sculpt this of the nose. So we just scoop a little bit of egg. Scoop egg white and then we put it. Oh gosh, it's not working. Oh my gosh, this one has hair, Monka S. I'm trying to make the egg yolk part of the nose. And it's working. Look at that. It's beautiful. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, just in case. Okay, the camera card is full, so we're gonna record from here. But we're just going to see the eggs. I think we need milk. And then we have to like make it as the blanket for the Rilakkuma Pog. Okay. Oh gosh, I tried putting the egg white. Oh my. What? Okay, so I replaced the... Okay, just don't zoom in, but it looks fine from afar. Look, it looks like a mustache, but it's okay. So this is the egg white mix. Oh my god, holy fuck. Oh my gosh. Oh my. See, clean. This. Okay, I don't know the technique, but I think we just put it on one side and we roll it. Pog, let's put cheese. Okay, stop. Time for the ultimate. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is it. Egg. Don't die. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. What happened, Mr. Bear? Wait. Watch this. Now we put the knife. Oh my, he's burning. Not bad, look at this. So good. Okay, this is it for today. Look at this beauty. Okay, chat. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Twitch.tv/Gabriel. Thank you for the support. Oh my god, it's so